my love, my wife. I choose you to be my partner in life. Through the years, we have faced obstacles that help us build the strong foundation of our relationship. It has shown me your unwavering love, constant support, and silent strength. I promise to make you happy. I promise to love you unconditionally. You are the person I choose to spend forever with. I choose you in 2018. I will choose you today, and I will continue choosing you forever.
Ken, alam ko ang buhay simula nung maging magkasama tayo ay hindi naging madali. Madaming circumstances, challenges na talagang sinubok ang relasyon nating dalawa. Ikaw yung taong ayaw kong mawala at hahanap-hanapin ko palagi. Kahit may mga oras na nakakapagod, pero yung pagmamahal ko sa'yo ay hindi susunod. Hindi ako magsasawa na mahalin ka, pagsilbihan ka at alagaan ka at lutuan ka ng mga paborito mong masarap na pagkain. I promise to help you achieve your goals and be the person who you want to be. Pinapangako ko na ako ang makakasama mo sa hirap man o sa ginhawa. Pinapangako ko na magiging malakas ako kung ano man ang hamon na dumating sa ating dalawa. I promise to give you a complete family that you are longing for. I promise you na kahit minsan hindi tayo nagkakaintindihan pero palagi kang pakikinggan. Pinapangako ko ang walang sawa at walang hanggan na pagmamahal. Ken, sa araw na ito ay naalay ko ang buong puso at buhay ko sa iyo. I will forever ask and thank the Lord for guidance and wisdom to our journey and to make me the best version of myself for you. Mahal kita palagi.
By virtue of the powers vested in me by the Marriage Act, do hereby pronounce you, Kenneth, and Nicole to be husband and wife. Kenneth, please kiss your bride.
Mr. and Mrs. Nicole and Kenneth R. Boys.
Today marks the beginning of a new chapter, and I couldn't be happier for you both. Your journey together has been filled with love, laughter, and countless cherished moments. Your kindness, your patience, your humor, and unwavering support make you the perfect partner for her, and I have no doubt that you will continue to cherish and protect each other's hearts.
Thank you for understanding, Nick. Topakin lang yan, pero bubusugin ka sa pagkain at pagmamahal. And now, I invite everyone to raise our glasses and make a toast to the newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. R. Boys. Cheers to a happily ever after.
Continue to love Kenneth the way you do now, but less sermon. Bring out the best in him, but don't try to change him. And to Ken, congratulations and welcome. You are officially part of the Sumugoy family.
Both of you should be patient, understanding, honest, and loving to each other. These are the spices of marriage to make it work, and I hope that God bless you and your family in the future. Love you, babe.
There's no perfect marriage, pero at the end of the day, kung ano man yung nagiging problema nyo, fix mo. So we love you both, tsaka lahat ng family. Okay?